In the city of Holy Christmas, we went to meet Robert Giacaman, born in Bethlehem into a family that has been working with olive wood for 3 generations. But that's not all. Robert is also a painter and a sculptor, author of great works. We listen to his story.
Da bambino sempre.
As a child, I always liked to draw. First I used the pencil, but gradually I began to experiment with colors until I discovered that I could also do larger works. I had the opportunity to develop my hobbies and to study in Italy, in Milan. There I attended the Brera Academy, where I perfected my technique and learnt others, particularly in sculpture.
A Milano ho fatto l'Accademia di Brera. Lì ho sviluppato la mia tecnica, ho imparato più tecniche, in particolare su scultura.
He was invited by Bishop William Shomali to create a work for Pope Francis's visit to Bethlehem in 2014. Another important work by Robert is at the Marian Shrine of Deir Rafat, where he painted the roof. Lately, he has been restoring statues in St. Anthony's Parish in Jaffa, Tel Aviv, as well as painting the fathers doctors of the church.
Padre Agustin Pelayo. Questo prete.
Father Agostino Pelayo is a priest who always gave me the courage to go ahead with my work. In the end, he wanted there to be something special in the church, and that is where the idea to create these paintings representing the doctors of the church came from. I admire Father Augustine because he is a person who deeply respects and appreciates art and contributes to the future of artists.
Rispetta l'arte, ammira l'arte e dà sempre questo futuro agli artisti, dai.
Robert has taken his work to other places in the world, participating in craft fairs in Italy and Germany. Today, his company distributes its products in different parts of the world.
Ci sono vari artigiani di Betlemme, oltre il mio laboratorio ci sono anche altri.
There are many artisans in Bethlehem, and besides my workshop, there are others who make a living from this craft. We know that Bethlehem is a tourist town and a large part of the population depends on this work. Unfortunately, now, because of the war, Christians are in difficulty. Many are out of work and at home. They always hope that something positive will happen and that peace will return to the city.
Di buono ritorna a questa città. Sempre a Natale aspettiamo l'avvento.
Every year at Christmas, we await the advent of Christ who is born, Christ who brings light to the world. We pray that this light will illuminate and penetrate the hearts of those in power, that they may bring peace to their peoples. The world needs to live in peace and to experience the love that Jesus has given us.
E vivere questo amore che Gesù ci ha dato.